Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, war day number 581. 581 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Yes. Hello again. Welcome today on Wednesday, September the 27th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku and the tectonic, aka a jigsaw Sudoku, and we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars. This should be a 3-star Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve in the evening. 4 of them. But let me start with these two regular puzzles. The first one, medium Sudoku, number 7168. 7168. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1-star puzzle. 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So, let's get started. Already almost 2 minutes passed. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9, should be there. So two numbers left, the 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then let me see. 7 and 3. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. All right. Okay. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, 2, okay. And now. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the first column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. We have a pair. 3 and a 6 in the first column. 3 and a 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Then. How about? Need a 9 here. 9, 8, 4. 4, 4. Come on. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the row below? So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. Come on, come on. How about the 5 in the last column? 5 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Cannot continue with 5 now. Need to wait again. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Okay. Alright. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Need a 9 here. Well. 3, 2, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. Where's the opening? Come on. 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, and 1. 1, yes. 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 1, 8, 9. 189, and look, we have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here, 1 in the last row, no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left. 8 and 9. Alright. 1, 1. And we have a pair now. 1 and a 5 in the third column. 1 and a 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first column. 1 of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here or there in the first column. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here in the first column. Okay. 7 and 8. Need a 7 and 8 there. Okay. Let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a need a 4 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And need a 8. Need a 9. Well. 9. Need a 9 here. Thinking. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. So what are these 3 missing numbers done and in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. It means these 2 missing numbers in the third column are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7, 9. Let me mark those. Here also 7 and 9. 7, 9, and 8. 8. 8 and a 9 are left. 8 and a 9. Second column, 8 and a 9. 7 and 8 are left. Well, we have a 9 here. Well. Here also 7 and 8. Here 7, 8, and 9. Need a 9 here. Interesting. 4. Need a 4 here. 9, need an 8 here. Well. Come on. 6. Need a 6 here. 8, 9, 7, 9. Need a 1 here. Well, in this row, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in this box. These two boxes can be 1. We have a 1 here. So the only place left with 1 in this row should be there. 1, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left with 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. We have a pair, I believe. Is this true? 9. No, 4. Need a 4. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. Alright. And now, I need a 1 here. I need a 1 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Well, here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. Here can be a 1 because we have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. So the 1 in the third row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 1 in this column. No 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, 2. 2. Alright. 4, 5. Come on. 7. 7, 8, and a 9. Need a 9 here. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this row for number 8. 1, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. I've marked this box with 8 or 7. Well, we have an 8 there, so this box should be a 7 then. 1 box left in the first column for number 8 then. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 or 9, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 248. 24. Okay. Let me see. 7, 6. No. About a 5. No. 4, 3. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. See a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. How about the 9? Yeah, we have a 9 here. That means in this column we need a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this column is a 9. Here can be 9 because we have 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. So the 9 in this column could be here or there, here or there. We see another 9 in the last row, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 9. 4, 8, 9. 8 and a 9. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for 9. Could be here, could be there. 9, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 8 here. 2, 8. Okay, 2, 8. No. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and an 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, so 1 digit left should be the 9. Okay, and now for the 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and 8. This should be also 4 and 8, not 2 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 2 here. This can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4 in this big square. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. And here the same numbers, 2, no, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, not quite a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah, I'm not faster, but I'm faster than 20 minutes. So let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, regular puzzle, jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.